Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Frollo app on your iPhone. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the App Store, and now you need to search for the Frollo in search bar. So once you do that, you can see there is an app at top shown in the screen, which is distinguishable by its logo and is developed by Frollo itself. And don't forget, you'll find the download option at the right side. Just tap on that download icon and your download will begin automatically. So yeah, once your download gets complete, simply tap on the open and yeah, you will be able to access it. So basically this is how you can download Frollo app on your iPhone, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.